Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of Temu. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Temu and you will click here. In this window of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to this window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Temu and you will click Temu like this, and then you will update your app here. So that's all, don't forget.